What's up, Fit World? This your man, Trader Fit Artist of Next World Fitness. I help throw with weight loss, body transformation, and another fitness goal, achieving overall better quality of life through health and fitness coaching. No matter where you're at home, far away, can't get to a gym, don't necessarily like a gym, or have no fitness equipment to work out with. Alright, so what I want to talk about is whether you should you get a fitness trainer or coach or just join a gym. Now, if you are like most people, you starting out towards a goal, whether it is to lose weight, body transformation, fat loss, shed some pounds, shed some inches, and get stronger, gain some muscle, whatever the case may be. So you either contemplate about going to see a trainer or going to a gym. So if that's you and you are looking to go to a gym or thinking about going to hiring a fitness coach or a trainer, then this video is for you. But as I get into the video, make sure to share that, make sure to hit that like button, make sure to hit that share button, and also if you have any questions or comments, hit me up below and I'll definitely get back to your questions, or if I can on here or after this video, after this broadcast ends. Alright, so should you hire a fitness coach / trainer or just join the gym? Now, normally the first mind you would think, that's where everybody going to work out. You seen so and so looking good and everything. He or she, they in the gym working out and so forth. So quite naturally, you would think that's where I need to go first, or whatever is going to the gym. But sometimes now for some people this is true, but for others not quite much so. When you first go into a gym, I always tell people what a gym is and what it's for. Is a gym only gives access to fitness equipment. That's all the gym purpose is. It's not, of course, yes, you can achieve your goals in there, but that's all the gym is for, is to give you access to equipment. Anytime that you say how to use this weight or what workout system I need to be doing and so forth, if that gym has a trainer or coach there, then they will refer you to their trainer or as well to help you to navigate the gym and so forth. So again, the gym is only give you access to equipment, not access to results, or not access. Just because you are joining the gym membership don't mean you will automatically start losing weight or start getting to your goals per se. Because one of the main key factors is if you don't know what your overall goal is, don't have a plan, never worked out before, don't know what to do, going into the gym is just gonna be you will be kind of spinning your wheels a little bit. You might see something in the beginning, or you might see nothing at all. You might hurt yourself, injure yourself, and so forth, and everything. We don't want that. Another thing when you're going into the gym, into the gym and so forth, is it actually the right gym for you for your said goal? That's another thing when going to the gym. You got to give an counter of. You got your 24-hour gym, then you got your bodybuilding type gym, hardcore type gyms and stuff as well. So all these are factors that you need to be looking at when you are considering going to a gym. Again, like I said, now with a gym, it doesn't give you access to it. It only give you access to equipment. They are not they are not there to really just tell you what to do and how to do. Generally, when you see most people who are fit, I hear this a lot too. Generally, when you see people, like everybody already in shape, for the most part, which is not true. You got some folks that's out of shape and working towards that goal. But for the people who are in shape, they generally know what they have done. They generally know what to do while in there, or they have worked with a trainer recently. And therefore, when they go into the gym, they can go in there more confidently, more effectively and efficiently, because they have tried everything. They got the motivation there. They know what workout system works and so forth from the education that they have learned from their previous trainer. Now, so I'm still not answering questions. I want to kind of break it down. You know what I'm saying? Now, let's talk about what the trainer does or a coach does. What our job is to kind of bridge that gap between the gym equipment and your results. Bridge that gap. So what our job is to employ the resources as well as the knowledge and helping you achieve that goal most effectively and most efficiently with the knowledge and experience that we have and everything towards whatever goal that you have. So how to use the equipment, what system to do the equipment in, how many times a week you should be doing it, along with a diet and so forth to help you get along your way once going into the gym and stuff like that. Now, if you're in the gym, it don't necessarily mean you have to be at a gym. You know, you can reach your goals at home too as well with a trainer. But that's one and foremost what our job as coaches and trainers do. Another job is help motivate you. Now, you do want to have your goals. You want to be motivated for the most part. Yourself for the most part. The trainer only can go. The trainer and coaching can only motivate you so much. We can't make you do what you don't want to do. So you got to be fully, motivate yourself as well. But the motivation and also holding you accountable, making sure that you are getting into the gym, make sure you're getting your workouts, making sure you get the food laws in, so forth. This is the job of a trainer or coach or whatever. Now, when you go into a gym, they don't hold you accountable to anything. You paid your money for the gym. You paid your money for the gym and so forth, access to equipment and so forth. So there you go. Now, holding you accountable, making sure you come in to the gym, making sure you work out and do it right and properly. That's not up to them. You know what I'm saying? They just make sure you are all right. You make sure they have a little free trainer. Maybe give you a 1 or 2 day trial and everything to give you access and kind of tour on how to use the equipment in there, but that's about it. But until you employ full system and get into your results, then you go to the trainer for that. But their job is not to hold you accountable. Now, I have had too many clients or too many people come to me and say, I have joined the gym and I never have went or whatever. I only went once or twice and I didn't even go. And it's still coming out of my check every month, or out of my account every month and so forth. So they do not hold you accountable. The only time they'll hold you accountable is when it's time to pay for the next month and you haven't paid and so forth. So their job is not to hold you accountable. Their job is not to motivate you, and everything. This is the trainer job. This is the coach's job to do so. So that's the difference between there, And also their job is not to teach you how to do these workouts. You can go to the classes, you can do the instructor programs and so forth and everything like that. But it said that when that's through, that instructor job is over. They don't hold you accountable. They don't check in on you. They don't have to check in on you. They don't have to do anything, teach you anything like that. This is not the gym's job to do that, unless, like I said, they're going to direct you to a trainer for all that. All right, so bridging the gap, should you just hire a trainer or should you just join the gym? All right, now, I would say the reason for joining the gym is if you already know what to do. You have already seen a trainer or a coach, or have already worked out with one previously. You already know what to do. You thoroughly and very comfortably have joined the gym. You know what to do while at a gym to use it to its most what's the word escaping me? To use it to its most efficiency, or use it to its most to get you basically your money worth to the most capacity of what's in there. You don't want to just go in there just use one part of it or not even go and everything like that. So I would say, so if you already know what to do, you have maybe worked out with a trainer and so forth and everything. You know your goals. You got a clear mind and everything. You know what type of gym it is that you need for your said goal. Like I talked before, you got your 24-hour gyms, you got your bodybuilder gyms, you got your hardcore gym, CrossFit, whatever. You don't tour this and there. You don't weigh these options and so forth, and going toward that, and then you go into the gym with the knowledge that you have of how to use that gym. Now, the time to hire a trainer is if you don't know what to do while at a gym or at home or any workout system for that fact. Workout system, whether it be at home, body weight, or anything like that. You don't know how to work out, do any exercise workout systems and so forth. Don't know how to eat right per se. Don't know how to make a plan around your goals to achieve it most effectively. Then you should hire a fitness coach or a fitness trainer. Also, if you need that extra motivation, that accountability, then yes. If you need somebody to look, why are you not doing this? Get up, what I'm saying? Like, look, you missed this workout and everything. Somebody don't take no excuses and really drive you and motivating you and giving you the most utmost care and compassion and you know, and drive and determination to help you to get to your goal, then this is why you need to hire a fitness coach or whatever. So you don't have the accountability, you don't have the knowledge, you don't know what to do, you don't know how to have a plan in place, or you don't know also don't know what to eat and so forth around this plan for the workout goals, whether going to a gym, home, or whatever the case may be. And you need that extra motivation as well, somebody to guide you along the steps and everything as well, because like I said, the body does change, the diet does need to change up and so forth. So you definitely need continuous guidance on how to get there once your body kind of goes into a plateau and be able to breaking those plateaus. So those are the differences of why you should join a gym, on the reason why you should join a gym, and other reason on why you should hire a coach. All right, so hopefully that helps. Again, if you have any questions, come in, hit me in the comment section below. Make sure to hit that like button as well. And also, as you know, I'm a fitness coach and trainer. If you need help towards your goals, hit it in the comment section, Get Fit, and we can I'll hit you up, and we definitely gonna talk about it and see what we can do in holding you and getting you to your goals. Like I said, the whole nine: the motivation, accountability, guidance, support, workout systems, planning, and everything like that to get you toward where you need to be. Or just simply message me and we'll talk, and then we can go from there. All right, so definitely love y'all, man. Like I said, hit me up and let's see what we can do, help you to be the best version here in 2021 and beyond. All right, let your next word be a fit one.